Imagine losing a parent and then waiting 7 long years for their estate to be settled, only to have your sibling cut you off completely. That's exactly what happened to one reader, and it's a situation that's both heartbreaking and frustrating. Dear Eric, I'm at my wit's end. After my father passed away, with my mother already gone, my brother took 7 years to settle his estate. He was living in our dad's house and seemed in no rush to finalize anything. I tried talking to him multiple times, urging him to move things along, but nothing worked. Eventually, I sought help from a lawyer, which finally got the process moving. Now my brother won't even speak to me. Did I overstep by thinking 7 years was too long? Frustrated and estranged. Dear frustrated and estranged, let's be clear. 7 years is an excessively long time to settle an estate, especially if, as it seems, your brother hadn't made any significant progress. While it's true that some estates can be complicated by legal hurdles or intricate details, that doesn't appear to be the case here. But here's where it gets controversial. Was your brother's delay a result of grief, or was it a deliberate attempt to hold on to the house? Grief is a deeply personal experience, and there's no one-size-fits-all timeline for processing loss. It's important to approach loved ones with empathy and understanding during such times. However, if your brother's delay was intentional, perhaps to maintain control over the property, that's a different story. That's not just unfair. It's a breach of trust and responsibility. By involving a lawyer, you took a reasonable and necessary step to resolve the situation. A third-party professional with no emotional stake in the matter beyond their fee was the right move. While your brother may feel hurt or embarrassed, those emotions are his to navigate. You didn't turn this into a personal conflict. You kept it focused on the legal and ethical obligations at hand. And this is the part most people miss. Settling an estate is inherently emotional, but it shouldn't become a battleground. By seeking legal help, you prioritized fairness and resolution over personal drama. Your brother's silence is unfortunate, but it doesn't mean you were wrong. Sometimes, doing the right thing comes at a cost. Now, let's open the floor to discussion. Do you think 7 years is an unreasonable amount of time to settle an estate, or are there valid reasons for such a delay? And if you've ever been in a similar situation, how did you handle it? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's talk about it.